Hi guys, welcome to this video looking at how to convert the concentration between moles per decimeter cubed and grams per decimeter cubed. Right, how do you convert between grams per decimeter cubed and moles per decimeter cubed? To start off with, you need to learn this triangle. This shows you that to convert to grams per decimeter cubed, you need to multiply the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed by the formula mass, which hopefully you can remember is just the addition of all the atomic masses. It also shows you that to convert to moles per decimeter cubed, you need to divide the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed by the formula mass. Let's see this in action then. 4.6 grams of hydrochloric acid, HCl, is dissolved in 500 centimeters cubed of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution in moles per decimeter cubed. The first step is to work out the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed. Concentration in grams per decimeter cubed is mass divided by volume in decimeter cubed, so 4.6 grams divided by 0.5 decimeter cubed, that comes out to 9.2 grams per decimeter cubed. The next step is to work out the formula mass. We have one hydrogen with an atomic mass of 1 and one chlorine with an atomic mass of 35.5, so my formula mass for HCl is 36.5. So now all I need to do is convert from grams per decimeter cubed to moles per decimeter cubed, which is grams per decimeter cubed, which we worked out as 9.2, divided by formula mass, which is 36.5, giving me an answer of 0.252 moles per decimeter cubed. Okay, let's look at another simpler question. It says calculate the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed of 240 grams per decimeter cubed of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So I've been given the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed here. All I have to do is work out the formula mass and then convert it. If we start with the formula mass, I have 2 hydrogens, so 2 times 1 is 2. I have 1 sulfur, so 32, and I have 4 oxygens, so 4 times 16 is 64. This gives me a formula mass, if we add it all together, of 98. Next step is the conversion. I need to divide grams per decimeter cubed, 240, by formula mass, 98, which comes out to 2.4 moles per decimeter cubed. And that's my answer. Okay, I have one final question for you before you get to have a go. It says calculate the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed of a 400 centimeter cubed solution containing 0.2 moles of nitric acid, HNO3. So we need to pick this question apart. The first thing we can do is work out the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed, because we've got the moles and we've got the volume. We can also work out the formula mass, and therefore we can convert to grams per decimeter cubed. So step 1, let's work out the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed, which is moles, 0.2, divided by volume in decimeters cubed. So to get it into decimeter cubed, I need 400 centimeter cubed divided by 1000, giving me 0.4 decimeter cubed. Therefore my concentration is 0.2 divided by 0.4, giving me a concentration of 0.5 moles per decimeter cubed. Step 2, let's work out the formula mass. I have 1 hydrogen with a mass of 1, 1 nitrogen with a mass of 14, and 3 oxygens, so 3 times 16 is 48. Add that all together and I get a formula mass of 63. And then the final step, converting to grams per decimeter cubed, I take my concentration in moles per decimeter cubed and multiply it by the formula mass. So 0.5 times by 63, which gives me an answer of 31.5 grams per decimeter cubed. That really is everything you need to know for this video. Let's have a look at a few questions then. Have a read through these questions, pause the video and have a go. As soon as you're ready, press play and we'll go through. Okay, let's go through then. This question asks you to calculate the concentration in grams per decimeters cubed and gives you the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed. So you should realise it's a conversion calculation. Step 1, work out the formula mass. Even if you can't do the rest of these conversion calculations, you can pick up marks for getting this simple technique right. So we have 1 copper with a mass of 63.5, 1 sulfur with a mass of 32, and 4 oxygens, each with a mass of 16, giving me 64 in total. Add this all together and we get 159.5 for your first mark. The second mark is for the conversion. So concentration in grams per decimeter cubed is moles per decimeter cubed multiplied by formula mass. So 0.5 from the question multiplied by 159, which we just worked out, giving you an answer of 79.75 grams per decimeter cubed for your second mark. Next question. This question asks you to calculate the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed and gives you the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed. So it's also a conversion calculation. So step 1, formula mass. We have 1 lithium with a mass of 7, 1 nitrogen with a mass of 14 and 3 oxygens, each with a mass of 16. Add this all together, giving us a formula mass of 69 for 1 mark. The second mark is for conversion, so concentration in moles per decimeter cubed is grams per decimeter cubed divided by formula mass. So 120 grams per decimeter cubed from the question, divided by 69, which we just worked out, giving you an answer of 1.74 moles per decimeter cubed for your second mark. On to the final question then. This is a much more complicated question, bringing in everything you've learned about concentration calculations. We are looking for the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed, but have a few steps to get there. Okay, so we have a volume in centimeters cubed. Start by converting that into decimeters cubed. So 750 divided by 1000 gives 0.75 decimeters cubed for 1 mark. With that, we can work out the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed, which is 5 grams from the question, divided by 0.75, which we just worked out, giving you a concentration of 6.7 grams per decimeter cubed for your second mark. Next, you need to work out the formula mass. We have 1 copper with a mass of 63.5, 2 nitrogens, which is 2 times 14, giving a mass of 28, and 6 oxygens, so 16 times 6 giving 96. Add these all together, giving you a formula mass of 187.5 for your third mark. Finally, we need to convert grams per decimeter cubed into moles per decimeter cubed. To do this, we divide the grams per decimeter cubed by the formula mass, so 6.7 divided by 187.5, giving you a final answer of 0.036 moles per decimeters cubed. And there we have it. That's everything you need to know for this video. I have got a review question for you, so have a read through, have a go, and let me know your answer in the comments, and I'll tell you if you're right. Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click on like down below. You can also subscribe to my channel, you can check out the latest video, and you can visit my website up above here. Bye now.